Yeah, honorable akwazitsho ukuthi igama ngubani balaleli bakuzwa.
Ngiyabonga baba Tshisa Sibanda. Mina ibizo lami nguPrince Dube. Ngimele Entumbane-Njube constituency njengo member of parliament in this coming national general election. So just basically background of myself, I think ngiyaba ngukhansela we constituency we Entumbane Ward 10 from 2008 to 2013. So as we are approaching this election, Baba Tshisa Sibanda, you know, I mean to represent people fully, and obviously challenge ekona ebantwini b'Entumbane-Njube and Zimbabwe as a whole, Nobulawa as a whole, is about the lack of representatives. You know, we have got leaders that are elected and immediately they run away from the people. So mina ngifuna ukuthi ngibe connected to the people and the challenges that are here. Afesa abantu ukuthi kona people now fear their leaders. As they fear their leaders, they are no longer going back to their leaders. Ama leaders bazifaka kwenye level yokuthi kona anyway sebe electiwe lapana, they are no longer connecting with the people. So abantu bana ma challenges these days yazisile challenge yokuthi kona asela mali elezweni leZimbabwe. ZANU-PF is busy prioritizing issues of buying t-shirts for campaign. ZANU-PF is busy buying big cars for campaign. Is that a priority to the people of Zimbabwe?
So
is that a priority?
Ucabanga ukwenziweni kakhulu kulebandla lakho le-Triple le?
Yeah, the most important thing is to actually make sure that
uyikhulume ngesinto ukuthi bakuzwe ngoba abantu ngifuna bakuzwe kuhle la siyakufunde kakhulu
kakhulu siyabonga Tshisa ukunqondisa sibili ukuze mina ngicabanga ku-Triple engisibile ngume ngicabanga ukuthi sibili abantu asiphakamenini sonke ni mhla ka-23 August siyevote sivote almost everyone who is eligible to vote. Let's vote for change. Thina njenge-Triple sipromisa iZimbabwe yomuntu wonke, Zimbabwe for everyone. iZimbabwe yokuthi ukwanisa kuyangena eshop uthenge njani ngenxa yokuthi siza create a proper environment whereby there is investment. Investment means that at least everyone onemali yakhe uyakwanisa ukubuya azofaka ama-company, avule i-company yakhe akwanise again ukuthi kona a-employ abantu bethu baqhatshwe bakwanisa ukuthi at least babe le ndlela yokuthi kona babe le mali ezikhwameni zabo bakwanisa ukuthenga.
Njona ke kulabanye ade bezama ukuthi bakhankase khona phuthini kuyo laba bazama ukuthi bangene baphambanise ke lokho kwenzakalayo njona sokule double candidate lapho.
Into ebuhlungu kakhulu etshengisa ukuthi abanye bethu sibili abakho lathi ku democratic struggle ngoba at the end of the day ubona umuntu sibili oqede 2 terms member of parliament in a constituency sisonke ku democratic struggle, but now sokungene omunye umntwana weNtumbane again ku democratic struggle. Instead of embracing me, you hear someone saying he wants to continue abele 3rd term, but for what? So kulusizi kakhulu kuyinto ebuhlungu embona ukuthi kona ngumuntu oku opposite side kuma opponents ethu ayiwo asenza sibe le problem enje.